Hi, I'm Giant Banana Baby, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put the Tripp Trapp Babyset and the Tripp Trapp tray along with the Tripp Trapp cushion all onto the Stokke Tripp Trapp high chair. So let's get started. So look, I think the first thing, okay, so I'm just going to open this. Here's the Tripp Trapp Babyset. So putting this on, this is the first part here. This one, it goes on the back. So what you need to do is just make sure this grips onto the backrest and then slide it down. So make sure it's evenly somewhere in the center. Let me see. Can you see it? About somewhere in the center. You can reposition it later to push it down. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's put this in. And then the next thing, now, this is the bar part. So look, I'm just gonna, what you do is you slide this underneath here. This one needs to go across a little bit. And now, I just want to show you something. So this is out of the way. Okay, so just to make sure, just in case when you built the high chair, you kind of stuffed up with the length of this one. You see how this one, it doesn't actually go into that hole very nicely. So what we need to do is just loosen the high chair and then push it back in. Trust me, sometimes you go ahead and start making it and then you didn't even pay attention to it. So what you need to do is just loosen this one, loosen these ones, loosen this one, and then I'm just gonna loosen it. There is instructions, I think it's about 4 or 5 centimeters. You just get to that point and then you just, like that. Okay, cool, so that's gone in nicely. Because if that was too far out, then you wouldn't be able to put it in. Remember to tighten it at the end. I'm just going to tighten it. Tighten it. I'm going to tighten it. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back one step because it also came with these extra stabilizing leg stabilizers. So I'm just going to put it on now. That should, hang on. Oh man, that's trickier than it looks. That's it. I'm just going to put it in. Okay, so that's in. It comes in matching colour, so it looks kind of nice. Okay, now to put the cushion on, we need to take one step back. So I'm going to take this off. To take this off, we need, it's released from the bottom, so there's a little flip. So I'm just going to push it in, lift it up, take that off. So this is the cushion, one part of it. I'm going to put this onto the base first. And put this around. So it's easier to know which one's front and back. There is a hole here in the cushion. It will go into that hole. Now the next part is I'm going to put this cushion on. I know it's so easy. You just put that thing at the back and that looks like it's about it, but kind of not, because we need to thread the harness through this hole. To do that, funny enough, this thing comes preset like this. You need to take this off. So this little thing here. So what you need to do, I recommend you just lift it up high a little bit, flick it, I don't know if you can see, flick it to the side, flick it to the side, push it out, that comes out. You can just do one side if it makes it easier, so you don't have to play around. You know what, I like doing both sides. I'll flick out the other side as well, flick that down, flick that out. You'll work it out, it comes out. We'll just put that aside for now. This goes in, down, this goes. In some ways you kind of think, why didn't they make this a little bit easier? But you know what, it does look nice once it's done. They could have made it easier, but then it wouldn't have looked so complete. Okay, oops, sorry. Coming through. Coming through, okay. Okay, it just sits there like that. And now remember this thing, we're going to put this thing back on. So it came in only at one layer, so we are going to do just one layer. So how does this go? It goes through here, slide it through. This might be a bit tricky at first. You'll get used to it very quickly. That comes through. That comes through. Do it again on this side. This part seriously is the trickiest part. So take your time on this side. Just flick it through. Okay, so it came through. Okay, the rest of it is, so we put this back now. We put this back, so that goes through here. It goes through there. It goes through there. And remember how we had that? That goes through that hole. That's it, that's it. It just pushes down. That locks down. Let's leave that out for now. Okay, the tray. Hold on. Whew. The tray is just going to go like this and slide into this little bit, and then you click it down. To release it, just note this is the part that releases it from underneath the thing. So we're just going to slide it in. Oops, sorry, I missed one step. Hold on. This is embarrassing. What? I missed one step. Take that out. So sorry. Just put this around here. Oops, there's a Velcro, so just hold that around there. Hold that around there. That can stay there. That can, and then just go like that. All done.